Are you looking? As outdoor gatherings gain popularity, the demand for functional yet space-saving picnic gear has skyrocketed. Collapsible picnic baskets offer the perfect blend of portability and practicality. Ideal for picnics, road trips, and grocery shopping, they cater to both casual users and serious outdoor enthusiasts.
List number: Leaking 35L Picnic Basket. 2 layers, leak-proof, and insulated. The Leaking 35L Picnic Basket is a well-constructed dual-layer basket, perfect for family outings. With 2 internal pockets and high-quality insulation, it maintains food temperature for hours. Its leak-proof lining adds extra security, making it suitable for cold drinks or sauces. What stands out is its internal support frame, which keeps it upright even when empty, a feature many cheaper models lack. The aluminum handle and Oxford fabric ensure durability without compromising on weight. It folds flat for easy storage and expands quickly when needed, offering an impressive 35L capacity. Ideal for picnics, beach days, or car camping, this is a premium choice for those who value organization and insulation. Though slightly bulkier when expanded, the performance more than makes up for it.
List number: C1 Collapsible Shopping Basket with Lid 27L. C1's 27L Collapsible Shopping and Picnic Basket is a versatile pick for daily errands and weekend picnics alike. The basket's most notable feature is its hard lid, which provides a flat surface to stack more items or serve food on. It's made from durable polyester and supported by a lightweight yet sturdy aluminum frame. Collapsing it is simple. Just fold it flat and tuck it away. While it lacks a full insulation lining, it works well with cold packs for short-term cooling. The ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip even when the basket is fully loaded. This is a solid mid-range option for shoppers or minimalists looking for a basket that pulls double duty at markets and parks.
List number:
Leaking
35-liter large picnic basket, leak-proof and foldable.
Another entry from Leaking.
This 35-liter picnic basket shares many features with its sibling, but with a more streamlined design.
The leak-proof, insulated interior keeps drinks cold and meals warm,
while the dual internal pockets offer organized storage.
This model skips the extra internal support, but still maintains its shape decently when half-filled. It's perfect for couples or small families needing ample space without extra bulk. The waterproof Oxford fabric is easy to clean, and the foldable design makes post-picnic cleanup effortless. It's best for users who want capacity and insulation, but prefer a slightly more lightweight build over reinforced support.
List number: C1 Shopping Basket with Handle. 22-liter collapsible basket, compact and efficient. The C1 22-liter shopping basket is ideal for quick picnics, farmers markets, or light grocery runs. While it's the smallest on this list, it makes up for that with its portability and fast folding design. The reinforced aluminum handle is sturdy, and the polyester material resists wear and tear. It doesn't offer insulation, so it's best used for dry goods or shorter trips. The structure holds up surprisingly well despite its minimalist frame, and the flat fold storage is perfect for apartment living or RV trips. It's a reliable, budget-friendly option for users who prioritize convenience and portability over insulation.
List 5. All-Camp Insulated Collapsible Picnic Basket. Cooler bag design. The All-Camp Insulated Picnic Basket combines style and utility in a sleek, cooler-style design. Fully insulated and leak-proof, this basket keeps food and drinks at the perfect temperature for hours, making it ideal for day trips, beach outings, or camping. Its collapsible body means it can be stored with ease when not in use. The exterior features a stylish, water-resistant Oxford fabric and a sturdy zipper closure to keep everything secure. The padded handle adds comfort for long carries, and it holds a generous amount of supplies without feeling bulky. This is the go-to for users who want a stylish, insulated solution with a premium cooler vibe.